In this video, I'm going to show you how to show and hide grid lines in line graphs in PowerPoint 2010. This is a quick and useful trick if you want to make your chart easier to read, clean up the design, or highlight specific data points in your presentation. If this tutorial helps you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple PowerPoint tips and tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and click on the line chart you want to edit. Once the chart is selected, you'll notice the Chart Tools menu appears at the top of the screen. This is where all of your chart formatting options are located. Next, go to the Layout tab under Chart Tools. The Layout tab gives you control over different parts of the chart, including titles, axes, labels, and grid lines. Since we want to work with the grid lines, look for the Grid Lines button in the toolbar. Click Grid Lines, and you'll see a drop-down menu with different grid line options. From here, you can choose primary horizontal grid lines if you want horizontal lines across the chart, or primary vertical grid lines if you want vertical lines running through the chart. These options help you decide exactly how your line graph should look. Once you select the grid line type you want, the grid lines will appear on your chart right away. If you want to hide them later, you can go back to the same grid lines menu and turn them off. This makes it easy to switch between a more detailed view and a cleaner, more minimal presentation style. That's all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can show and hide grid lines in line graphs in PowerPoint 2010 and make your charts look exactly the way you want. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.